Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. I'm Jayla Morgan, and in today's video I'm going to be taking out my knotless braids. So if you've seen my previous video, I did these knotless braids myself. It's currently in a little bun so you really can't see them, but they're still there. It's been 3 weeks since I did them, so it is time for them to come out. I have loved this style so much. It's been so long since I did a protective style, so I really needed this time to just not have to do my hair, leave it alone. I have cut my get ready for the day time by like 45 minutes just because I didn't have to do my hair. All I had to do was do my edges and go, or do my edges, put it in a ponytail and go. Like, it's been so easy, but now it's time to take them out. So that's what I'm going to be doing, and we're going to see how much growth I got and how my hair looks now. So yeah, y'all, these braids have been so nice to me. Like, I love these braids, and for my first time doing braids like this, I didn't do too bad of a job. Obviously they could have been better, but they lasted. Honestly, if I wanted to go another week with these braids and make it a full month, I really could if I really wanted to. But I'm just ready to really deeply cleanse my hair. It is time. This is how my hair is looking. It's real frizzy. My scalp has been itchy, but not that itchy, because this hair on the package it claimed to be itch free, and it really has been for the most part. Like, obviously I had to scratch my head from time to time, but for the most part I haven't had to scratch my scalp as much as I normally would. But this time I didn't even rinse the hair, and my scalp was good for the most part. But I'm just so excited to take these out. I miss my natural hair. I miss my curls. I miss the versatility of the curls. I want to do like maybe a flexi rod set or something, but I just want the curls back. I really do. So yeah, I'm gonna start cutting these braids, but first I just wanted to give y'all a little overview of how the hair looks. I got everything I need to take these down. I have my scissors to cut the braids out, some plastic bags to put the hair in so that my bed doesn't get all messy and stuff, and another scrunchie to like tie up the braids and tie up my hair as I take it out. And that's all I got. So I'm ready to get started. Let's do this thing. I'm really kind of nervous. I don't know why, because I've been wanting to take these braids out all day. Like, I've been wanting to take them out since I got up this morning. I just wasn't able to, but now that I'm doing this video, I don't know why, I just don't want to take them out. But let me just go ahead and cut one so that I can get started. Oh my gosh. This isn't even my real hair. I don't know why I'm like acting like this, but one down. Why do I feel like Moesha? Alright, now it's time to take them down. You know, why are protective styles so expensive? I mean, I know it's because of like the longevity and the skill it takes, but like, I wish they would teach people openly how to do their own hair. Like, I feel like it helps all of us naturals out, especially for naturals that don't know how to do their hair yet. Like new naturals, helps you keep the health of your hair, helps you grow your hair. Like, I just wish it was like not a secret all the time. I don't know why people have to keep it a secret all the time. But yeah, these braids have been such a lifesaver. I can't even find the braid. Hopefully these don't take long to take out. It's 11:10 right now because I just wanted to like go in the mirror, see how this little braided bob looks. Even though it's not even, you still get the effect. I don't know. After this style, I'm probably going to do another protective style, but not right away. I want my scalp to like breathe and just to like be left alone for a while. So I'm probably going to do a natural hairstyle and then get right back into the protective style wave, because it is so nice not having to worry about doing your hair every morning for 45 minutes. It's so nice. I got a hair stuck to my, it's literally like in a knot. One braid down. Ooh, and my hair is all soft. Before I did these braids, I put rice water in my hair and then blow dried it so that hopefully my hair retained its length, and as soon as I like washed my hair after taking out the style, it didn't break off. Hopefully the rice water helped to like make my hair strong, and when I detangle it in the shower, it doesn't like, you know, get all like it starts shedding and then breaking and all that, because I do not want that. I've had that experience before, and that's part of the reason why I don't get my hair braided professionally. So that's why I decided recently to try out the style, see how good of a job I can do myself. If it didn't work out or if I looked crazy, then I could just take them out and be done with it. But because I see I didn't do too bad of a job this time, I'm definitely going to do it again, especially for vacations and stuff. Like, I realized over this time that I could definitely be doing this style for vacations, for any time I'm going to be away for like a week or so, because it just lasts so long. I didn't realize that these braids would last as long too, because they're knotless. I thought because they're knotless, they're going to look frizzy faster and they're just not going to look as good for as long. But I was wrong, because I actually like the frizzy look. I didn't mind it. It gave me Zoe Kravitz vibes. Yeah, and also like when I didn't want to put up with the frizz, I would just throw my hair in a bun on top or in a ponytail in the back and put a headband on, do my edges, and you really can't even tell that there's nothing wrong with my hair. Like, it was fine. That's how I've been doing it for this past week. But if you're scared to try protective style on yourself, if you think that you're not as skilled, practice makes perfect. This is my first time practicing, and I'm just gonna keep practicing until I can do it to a point where it's like professional looking, because that's what I strive for. Alright, so here is my progress, how far I've come, literally halfway down the middle. And it's currently 12:21, so yep, that's how long it took. And I don't know if my hair grew at all, but I don't know. It looks longer, but maybe that's just because I blow dried it before putting it in the braids, so it's just stretched. I really like these crinkles and curls from these braids. I'm gonna have to do more braid outs because this is actually cute. But yeah, y'all, I'm just gonna go ahead and finish up this side so I can be done with these braids. I can wash my hair and I can hit the sack because I'm tired. So yeah. Alright y'all, so I am done taking out all of the braids. I took out 55 braids in total, and this is what the finished result looks like. It's a really cute fluffy braid out that I wish I could wear out, but I need to wash my hair. So yeah, but it's so cute. If like my hair was fresh and clean and you know everything like that, I would definitely wear my hair out like this. It looks so cute and like fluffy and voluminous. And I do think I got some growth in the back because when I was taking out the braids, I felt the roots and there was more new growth back there than it was in the front of my head. So that's good because I need some volume back there anyways. But yeah, y'all, so this is how much hair I got. All this hair, this whole bag's worth. Oddly enough though, it was really light. Really light. That's probably why it lasted for so long, because it was so lightweight. But yeah, y'all, that concludes this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, make sure to subscribe to my channel, like this video, comment down below, and turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I make new videos like this. I do all different types of natural hairstyles, and if you have any requests, let me know in the comments. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching till the end of the video. I really appreciate it, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye, y'all.
If I wrote you a symphony just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do?